Good morning, students. Today we will discuss population explosion and birth control of chapter 4 of first unit. Okay, so let's talk about population. If we talk about our population, uh, uh, at the time of independence, there are 350 million population. Okay, but now it crossed 1 billion. In May 2000 it crossed 1 billion. Okay, so we say that every sixth person in the world is an Indian. Okay, now MMR. What is MMR? This is the maternal mortality rate, a rapid decline in the death rate of mother and infant mortality rate. Okay, so not a proper awareness, not a proper education. Mothers are frequently died. Okay, during partition time, during delivery, and also fetus also died. So this is the rapid decline in death rate of both mother and their infants because of their poor health issues, some economical issues, nutrition. Okay, so now an ideal contraceptive should be used here, and if we talk about ideal contraceptive devices, it should be a friendly, easily available, effective and reversible with no or least side effect, because they provide gapping in child so that mother mentally and physically prepared for birth young ones, new baby. Okay, so these contraceptive devices are available at market, at hospitals, medical institutes. So contraceptive methods are of various types. In your book mention these types of contraceptive methods like natural or traditional method. This is the natural method, traditional method, implant, barrier method, surgical method, IUDs, intrauterine devices, and oral contraceptives and injectables. Okay, these are some contraceptive methods that are used in our India, in world, so to avoid pregnancy. Okay, now natural method. What is natural method? This is the avoiding chances of ovum sperm meeting. Means if the couples are avoiding by themselves naturally, they avoid to physically physical contact, and so the ovum and sperms are not meet each other, they are not fertilized, ovum is not fertilized. So this is the natural method, and it includes like periodic abstinence. Periodic abstinence means couple avoid or abstain from coitus from day 10 to 17. You know that if we talk about menstrual cycle is of 28 days. Every 28 days menstrues are start. So in between this cycle means the 10th day to 17th day, that is the ovulation day, when ovum is released from the ovary of female. At that time, if ovum not if ovum not contact with the sperm, so fertilization is not take place. So if this time the couples avoid the mating, it should be prevent to be pregnant. Okay, second method is coitus interrupts. That is withdrawal or coitus interrupts too is another matter in which the male partner withdraw his penis from the vagina just before ejaculation. Means when the ejaculation take place, when the sperm are ready to ejaculate from the penis, the male partner withdraw his penis from the vagina. So this is also the natural method to avoiding the fertilization of ovum. Okay, now next method, natural method type is lactational amenorrhea. that is absence of menstruation. As long as the mother, when mother having 6 month, 2 month, 3 month child, as long as the mother breastfeeds, when she is feeding to her child, so breastfeeds the child fully, chances of conceptions are almost nil. Okay, so there is no they are not conceive a new baby. Okay, so this is the natural type of method, lactational amenorrhea. Now next method is barrier method. Barrier method, in this ovum sperms are prevented from physically meeting and with the help of barriers. They may coitus, they may physical relationship, they may come in matting. Okay, but they used some barriers while coitus, while mating, and these barriers are made up of rubbers like condoms. There is male and female condom available in market, diaphragm, cervical caps, and balls. These are also made up of rubber, and these are used by the female reproductive tract to cover the cervix during the coitus. Remember, diaphragm, cervical caps, and balls are used only by the female, okay, to cover its cervix during coitus, and condoms are available for both male and female. Now IUDs. IUDs is another method, contraceptive method, that is intrauterine devices, that by its name it used in the uterus. Okay, uterus, female. They are of various types, like Lippels loops, copper. They are made up of copper, like copper T, copper 7, etc. Okay, they are also like hormones, various hormones, estrogen and progesterone hormones. Okay, it increases the phagocytosis of sperm. It increases the phagocytosis sperm within the uterus, and copper ions release suppress sperm motility and fertilizing capacity of sperm. Means they deactivate the sperm. They help in deactivate the sperm. They decrease the motility of the sperm. Okay, so that sperm easily died. They dissolve. Okay, they reactive. So the chances of fertilization is negligible. Okay, now oral administration. Next method is oral administration. Oral means take in your mouth. Okay, so oral administration is used as the tablets called pill. Here used tablets as call them pills. They are of progesterone or estrogen combination, and they are another contraception, used by females only, not males. Used daily for a period of 21 days. They used 21 days, and when menses occur, gapping of 7 days, and then again take these pills. Okay, this inhibit the ovulation and implantation. Means these pills inhibit the ovulation, suppress the ovulation time, ovum is not released. Okay, and implantation, if fertilization occur, then the implantation of the fetus is not take place. Okay, example is Saheli. Saheli is the oral contraceptive, but this is the most effective pill, and this is used only once a week. Next method is surgical method. Surgical method is the last method, that is remove the organ. Remove in the sense not completely remove here, only cut and tie up the main part where fertilization take place in female, and in male from where the sperm is passed. Okay, so in male, tubectomy, the surgical method called tubectomy, and in female, in male, the surgical method called vasectomy. Okay, and in female it called tubectomy, because in female fallopian tube are cut and tie up, and in male vas deferens are cut and tie up with the help of doctors and qualified nurses. Okay, and so that if tubectomy and vasectomy occur, then it blocks the gametes transport. Gametes are not transports, okay. Sperm are not transport, and also female ovum, okay. Ovum also not transport. So it prevent conception. Fertilization is not occur. And this method is also called sterilization method. Sterilization method, okay. Always remember that these all the contraceptive methods are effective, but one can take them by the help of, by the advice of highly qualified doctors, not by themselves, because they may have many side effects if except barrier or natural method, okay. Barrier or natural method, they have no side effect, but all have if you take by yourself with or any normal nurse, or any medical staff, it may be harmful for your health. So it always advisable by highly qualified doctors, okay. Thank you. In your next lecture, we will discuss some sexual transmitted diseases, okay. And this chapter is completed in next lecture, I think, or in 2 lectures, okay. Thank you.